Okay, 2005 ML350, going to change the cabin air filter, which is up under this panel underneath the passenger side of the dashboard with the passenger's knees. 2 T20 screws, one there, and then what size is it? 5mm bolt up right into there. So take those 3 out and we'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, there's the 5mm screw or bolt right from under there, and now just simply lower it down. Don't bother unhooking the supplementary lighter thing, and now you've got this little clip in thing that goes back here. This should slide if it's ever been moved. Is this a slide one or is this a clip one? This might be a clip one. This is a clip one. Just clips at the front and pops down. Ah, damn it, why don't I have a vacuum every time? Ugh. Jesus, look at this. There we go. Yay. I think that's a little dirty, maybe. Okay, let's vacuum this up and then we'll continue. Okay, well that's fairly cleaned up, and then we got this Denso filter. It's a little bit different than the original. I don't know why there's this little tab on it, but I'm assuming it must flop over when you push it up. Doesn't seem to want to go up. Which direction is airflow on this? Airflow, yes. Okay, so airflow goes this way. Why does this have these 2 little freaking flaps on it? Okay, why don't you want to fit? Again, why does this have this flap? What is the point? Okay, huh, that doesn't exactly fit perfectly in there now, does it? Well, I guess it fits in okay. Let's put the back part in. Well, it's going to squish it a little bit. You know what? Hopefully you got the proper air filter, cabin air filter. This one doesn't seem to be it. What is the deal? I'm going to check the part number on this, make sure I'm putting the right one into my car. I've got like 25 air filters and cabin filters in my garage. I might have picked up the wrong one. Hold on. Okay, no, this was the right one. I just had to fold the little, that little flap. I was putting it in right the first time, but it just wasn't going for some reason. With the little flap folded up, like down on the top one and up on the bottom one. And now it fits in there fine. So the seal cap back on. See, there's a little foot. There's a little tab on this. Goes in a little hole in the back. And it pops on. Bolt everything back together and hopefully we have airflow still. Anyway, thanks for watching. This looks like... That doesn't look like it was fun to breathe. That can also wear out your fan motor from trying to push air past that. It can burn it out. Anyway, thank you for watching.